Everyone wants to be successful in their life, in their career, and in their business. But not many spend time to understand what are those mindsets that you need to have in order to achieve this success. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 8 mindsets that you need to have, that you need to develop to have a really successful career or business or even in your life. Keep watching. Alright, the first mindset that you need to have in order to understand what success is and to be successful is this one. Staying on course. That's very important if you have to be successful. Not many who start on the journey continue the journey. And if you are someone who wants to be a success, stay on the journey, continue with that. Okay. Only probably 20% of people who start continue the journey, and 20% of who continued the journey finish the journey. So I want you to be a finisher. If success is something that you're really looking towards in your career, in your business, become a finisher. That's how you can reach success. Okay, let's look at the second point. The second point is about understanding that it's a journey that you will have to go through, that there are going to be lots of challenges in this course, and it's not about beating yourself up every single day. It's about understanding that you also are learning on this journey. You're trying to understand what works, what doesn't. You're trying out different things. Therefore, don't beat yourself up. And this is not a journey where you're alone. Make use of your teams. Make use of the community that you are part of. That's how you can accelerate this journey towards success. Okay, that's the second point. The third point being the value of collaboration. It's not a game where you are on your own. The more you collaborate with others, the more you build relationship with others. If you can build this kind of a mindset that we all together can be successful, that's a really fast and easy way to your success story. So keep this value of collaboration in your mind. Okay, so it also goes about saying that alone I am powerful, but together we are unstoppable. So once you have this in your mind, you will start collaborating and you'll see the magic happening, not just for you, even for others. There's the third point. The fourth point being failing forward. We're so much behind success. We're so much behind making things work that we do not understand that 100 things that you are going to try out, probably 20% of it is only going to be successful. And even in that, only the top 4% is going to be super successful, whatever kind of activities that you do, actions that you take. So the important aspect is for you to try to fail and to keep moving forward. And this is how it's going to look like. Let's see how it actually going to look like. The success journey is not a straight path. It's a curve, and not just having one single curve like what you're seeing. You can encounter multiple curves, but it's about how you're going to navigate that's going to determine your success. Okay, so whenever you start off on this journey, you will think that, okay, it's a great idea. I think you have to do this. You'll start executing. And then some doubt starts creeping in. You will start thinking that probably this is hard. I shouldn't have tried this. I should have done something else. But if you stay on course, if you stay on this curve, if you stay on track, eventually you'll figure out that you can do this, that you're going to get through this. And then finally, once you come through, you will say this to yourself that I'm glad I did this. Okay, any person who has been successful, small success or big success, would have gone through this kind of a journey. It's never a straight path. So if you are facing obstacles, understand that you are on the right path. All right. So fail forward is a very important concept, mindset that you need to develop in order to be successful. The fifth point is commit first, figure out later. Many a times I see people trying to figure out things as soon as they start working on certain aspects. But the process of figuring out is again a journey, it's part of the journey. And you cannot just do everything, every bit of it when you're starting off. So the more you are committed, the more you get started on this journey towards success, the easier is it going to be for you to figure out. And as I said, there are lots of things that you are going to be trying out for the first time. Therefore, there is definitely, you are not going to have the clear picture when you're starting off. But eventually, as you try, as you fail forward, as you stay on track, you're going to figure out. Okay, and that's how you can achieve success in your career, in your business. Let's see the next one, the sixth one. The sixth one is about understanding the power of compound effect. Many times we are most of the time sold on this fact that everything has to go viral. Whatever you do has to be a like a super kick-ass idea, super kick-ass project. But that's not how things work. Even people who have created all those viral videos or viral kind of ideas, it's probably 1 in 1,000 or 1 in a million kind of times that happens. So what you have to understand is all the small little things which you might feel insignificant today is going to reap you benefits in the long run. Okay, so understand the power of this compound effect. Keep doing small little things every single day periodically, and that's how you will see this compound effect kicking in. And as I said, it's not a one-time activity. You have to do small little things for a longer duration of time. That's how people like Warren Buffett and others have become wealthy, because of this very important concept of compound effect. Okay, that's the sixth point. Let's look at the seventh one. When you're chasing success and when you're only thinking about yourself, it's going to be kind of a hollow journey. It's not going to fetch you any kind of, that feeling of accomplishment or anything of that sort, when even after you become successful. So when you think about success, think about people whom you have to serve, people whom you can help, so that when you help them become successful, they are eventually going to help you become successful. Okay, it's not a zero-sum game. When someone else becomes successful, they are going to take away success from you. It's never like that. Have that mindset of abundance. And when you think about others, and not just you in this journey towards success, you are also going to take off that pressure off your shoulders, and it's going to be much smoother journey for you. Okay, so try this step. It's not about you. It's about the kind of people you're going to help, the kind of service that you're going to render, that's going to determine your success. That's the seventh point. And the eighth point, which I learned from one of my friends, is called as the 3H approach, where he said, when your heart, head, and hand, that's the action, if they are all coherent, success becomes easy. Okay, when the intentions that you have in your heart, when the planning that you do in your mind, and when the action that you take every single day are all in sync, success is going to be fast. Success is going to be easy. Because I see lots of people having different kinds of intentions, different kinds of planning, and take lots of different kinds of actions. Therefore, all these things, you're constantly in a dialogue with yourself, thinking about, should I have done this, should I have done that? And if you do not have that focus on one single thing, you're not going to be successful. Okay, so have all these things congruent, your intentions, your planning and action, you will definitely see success in your life. And if you're someone who's interested in growing your career, becoming a leader and be successful, I would like you to invite to be part of my community. I'll just leave a link below where you can join my free VIP FB group, where I share concepts and tips, tricks. It's not just about the skills. It's also about mindsets like this, skill sets and tool set for you to grow and be successful. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please do subscribe, and until next time, keep growing.